Okay, so let's start. Okay, so like every language, you have to start your journey of a language from printing a statement. Okay, so Python re print kariba pai you have a function print. Print is the function which is provided by Python. Okay, so this is a function, print function. Whatever you place inside this bracket, that will get printed. Okay, so this will get printed. Okay, so for multiple print option, print always print the argument, then move the cursor to the new line. तो प्रिंट कौन करूची प्रिंट सब बेले गोटे जिनसटा को प्रिंट करिवो आउ कर्सर को न्यू लाइन को माने ठेल दबो बुझि परछो सो इफ यू राइट प्रिंट गुड प्रिंट
सर
मॉर्निंग ओके अदिति
सर वो दिख नहीं रहा था
अभी दिखा मतलब मेरा स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है
नहीं सर वो रिकॉर्डिंग हो रहा है वो आ गया था तो नहीं दबाया हाँ भी दिख रहा है
ठीक है दिख रहा है अभी
यस
fine fine so when you run this set of code good morning you will get output like this good then morning okay in two different lines जितना प्रिंट लिखोगे उतना वो लाइंस ऐड करेगा ठीक है ओके सो इफ यू वांट टू कीप द प्रिंट स्टेटमेंट्स इन सेम लाइन ओके सपोज यू वांट इट ऑन द सेम लाइन जावा रे हमें कौन पढ़थिले देयर वर टू थिंग्स प्रिंट फंक्शन देन प्रिंट ln okay so print ln was changing lines print keeping the cursor on the same line in C language there is printf keeps the cursor on the same line in C++ cout it also keeps the cursor on the same line change kariya pai what you have to put you are relying on this thing \n है ना in C++ you can use \n or endl end line ओके अदिति ठीक है ओके अगर आपको सेम लाइन में प्रिंट करना है तो पाइथन तो वैसा कुछ देता नहीं है सेम लाइन में प्रिंट करने के लिए सो देयर इज वन आर्गुमेंट इनसाइड द प्रिंट so print has an argument it takes a value okay so प्रिंट क्या करता है देखो प्रिंट में suppose I want to keep it in the same line I want to keep the cursor or the output on the same line so I'll write good comma then I will simply write end okay that means this end will hold the cursor on the same line cursor on the
सर एंड रे स्पेस रहइबो ना खाली माने ओपन
ना this is empty you can put any character that you want
in
your output okay then if I put morning here morning then for this set of code I will get the output good morning on the same line there are two prints dita print अछि dita prints है कि भी मते कोन मिलिबो गोटे लाइन रे आउटपुट मिलिबो ओके ठीक अछि the end this end will hold the cursor on the same line but here in this case what okay print कोन करूची पिले print prints the value plus argument and moves the cursor to the next line, or new line you can say. Okay, Sujan, बुझिला? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
कृष्णा किरण बुझिला? जदि गोटे लाइन रे तुमको रहिबार अछि ताहले तुमको कोन यूज करिया पड़िबो? एंड ठीक अछि? ओके, suppose you are writing mango and comma, then again you are printing print lassi. Okay, the output is mango. On the same line you will get the cursor with a comma. Okay, the cursor is still there and the statement, this particular thing ends with the comma. Hela, comma, cursor still on the same line, then go to the next line. बुझी पारला समझते हैं? तो एठी जो एंड थिला एई एंड भितरे सिंगल कोड भितरे किछि नथिला, ठीक अछि? बट एठी एंड पाखरे कोन लिखा हिची? कॉमा. ओके,
Yes,
ऑल ऑफ
sir.
यू क्लियर? ओके, सिप्रा बुझिलो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now printing a value or variable along with the print statement. Okay, ठीक अछि? Okay, so printing a value plus variable along with a string. Okay, बेटा अदिति, सी लैंग्वेज में क्या करते थे हम लोग?
Yes, sir.
लिखते हैं printf within double quote what you are supposed to do. So this is the value, value, then placeholder, then
Yes.
then your variable.
Available.
ये था सी लैंग्वेज में. Okay,
Yes.
in Java, what you are supposed to write? System.out.println. So this is value, double quote ends, plus variable. So this is what you are doing. Okay, you were doing. Now in Python, come to Python. Python में क्या करना है? Python में simply print, double quote में लिखना है this is value, then comma. Here the combination is used. You can combine the value in the variable along with the string statement using a comma. Okay, comma use करिबो. तमन्ना बुझलो बेटा?
Okay.
All of you understood? Okay, ठीक अछि? ହେଲା, ହେଲେ ଏଟା ସବୁ ନୋଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍ କରୁଛ ନା ନାଇଁ? ହେଲା, ଡନ୍ ହେଇଗଲା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ନୋଟ୍ ଡାଉନ୍? Then
Yes.
in future you will learn about placeholders. Okay, like C has a placeholder. Okay, same thing Python also provide. Okay, the placeholder thing that you will learn in future, not now, because variable पढ़ेगा तापर छेड़ा बुझिबो. ହେଲା, ठीक अछि? एटा एबे पढ़िबनी, फ्यूचर रे पढ़िबो. ହେଲା, ठीक अछि? ओके नाउ कार किसी डाउट अच्छे पर्यंत अदिति
No, sir.
ओके फाइन ये बड़ा इजी था ना प्रिंटिंग प्रिंटिंग कला ठीक है जी देन नाउ लर्निंग अबाउट कमेंट लाइंस commenting in Python. Commenting in Python. How to add comment? So Python uses, okay. Python uses single line. Python uses, अरे रुको. Python uses hash. Okay. Aditi, समझ में आया? For single line comment. चिपरा बुझ लो तो?
Yes, sir.
Python uses hash for single line comment. So you can add hash, then you can put anything. Okay, this is a comment, and this won't visible in your output. Okay, comment lines are lines that do not get executed. Okay, comment lines are for the understanding of the program. They are not visible in the output, and they are for better understanding of the program or to leave any remark. ठीक है जी? Okay. Now, what about multi-line comment? For multi-line comment, multi-line comments. For multi-line comments, okay, Python uses a pair of कौन लिखा है शिवरा?
A pair of triple quotes.
So triple quote. This is a multi-line comment. Clear पिले? आर्यन बुझ लो?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, okay, fine. So let's now do the practical. So print ray single quote ray. I'm printing hello. Okay, this is giving me output, right? Then print hello world. 2 lines. Okay. So to print 2 different lines. So if I want them in the single line, hello, comma, end equal to single quote. Print world. Okay. Now run. You are getting both of them in the same line. Okay. ठीक अच्छी बुझी पड़छ पिले print less comma end equal to I want the first word less to be separated from the second word which is in the print with a comma. Okay. Chips. Chips spelling ठीक असतं. Lays, comma, chips. Okay. ठीक ଅଛି. So this is the command line, right? So if I write like I am learning Python. Okay. Then I'm printing. What? Comment doesn't print. Okay. Upper line ta print hela nahi. I am learning Python because it's a comment. Comment line never prints. Okay. All of you, please try. सब try करो. चलो. So what is a variable? Very common answer. Variable is something that stores value. Variable stores value. But value can be of different types. Values can be of different types. Different types. Okay. Different types means there are numeric values and non-numeric values. Under numeric, you will find two things. What? With decimal and without decimal, that is integers. Okay, decimals are otherwise called float. Okay. Non-numeric value रे कौन कौन अछि? You have string, boolean. Okay. ठीक है. So variable stores values. Right. So let's go back to Java and C. In Java and C, the syntax was syntax according to Java and C. First of all, you have to decide the data type for the variable. Okay. This is how you create a value. Example, int x. So x will only be keeping integer value. Okay. Okay. Only integer x-ray. But when we come to Python, Python does not declare variable like this. Okay. Sipra, Python variable एमिति declare करेनी.
करेनी, हाँ.
करे. Python simply कौन करिबा? Python decides the data type. Okay. Python decides the type of the variable according to the value. Okay. Python decides the type of the variable according to the value. So this is called dynamic typing. Dynamic typing. Okay. जैसे ही कोई भी variable. So how to declare a variable? So simply you need a value first. Okay. Then you can name any variable. Let's say my variable name is var. Okay. My variable name is var and now this is integer. Now variable type is integer. Now. Okay. After few moment you are saying now where will keep Aditi. Now the type is string. string. Python represents string as ATR, str. Okay, str means string. Okay. So the value here the value decides the type. Okay. बुझी पारछो? So C और Java रे problem कौन थिला? C और Java में क्या है problem? कि if you have declared x as integer, you can only keep number. After few moment, you cannot do this. In C and Java, this is not allowed. This is not allowed. Okay. But in Python, at one moment you are keeping what? Integer. In another moment, you can also keep string. Okay. Right? Okay. So there is very much what? Work going under the memory. Okay. So already one object has been created for the integer. Okay. This is a memory which has 10 as a number, and the name given to the memory was var. As soon as you do this, okay, then the particular variable is pointing to another object, not this one. Okay. So that is the trick in Python. But in Java and C, when you do this, first of all, a memory is decided. This memory is actually X. Okay. And the X memory will only keep integer and its size is decided as 4 bytes. 4 byte ro jaga, and you will only be allowed to keep 4 byte memory, 4 byte value. Okay, not more than that. Okay. But in Python, what happens? Python re kon hochi? That variable name can be changed. Okay. That is based on the object address. Okay. Dynamically, you can change. No problem in Python. Okay. So, I hope good idea is jaichi. Okay. Let's do the practical. Okay. Now. So simply, I'm creating a variable var where has a value 10. Okay, I can print it. Print var. Okay. See, the value is 10. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the type of the variable. Okay. So there is a function called type. What a function achi type. Inside type function, you have to place the variable name, the object, and it will tell you what kind of type is. Okay. So you can see, Aditi क्या बता रहा है? var जो है क्या है? बेटा अदिति,
Variable.
var जो वेरिएबल है उसमें क्या 10 है, और उसका टाइप
Yes.
क्या बता रहा है?
Class integer type.
Integer type. Okay. As soon as I change var equals to Aditi. Okay.
Yes.
I print var. Now,
Print.
ठीक है? So this is dynamically changing, right? It is changing. Which
Yes,
is
sir.
changing? What is changing? Type.
Dynamic type.
क्या चेंज हो रहा है बेटा?
Data type.
डेटा टाइप चेंज हो रहा है. किसके लिए चेंज हो रहा है? डेटा टाइप किसके लिए चेंज हो रहा है बेटा?
Variable.
वेरिएबल के लिए. और डेटा टाइप किस पे डिपेंड कर रहा है अभी यहाँ पे? ये सब क्या है? ये सब आपके क्या है?
हाँ, अच्छा values.
वैल्यूज, राइट? है ना? So the data type is automatically decided by the value. Okay, so that technique is called dynamic typing. The type of the data, the type of the variable is decided as soon as the value is given. Okay, I hope all of you understood. Now let's learn. Okay, the data type supported by Python. Okay, so these are basic classes जोगुड़ा की Python support करुची. Okay, like every language. Okay, Python supports Python as int for integers, float for decimal point. Then you have str for string. Okay, then you also have boolean. Okay, you also have boolean. How कौन अच्छी? How कौन थी बात कर? Character string सब उसे मिलती है ना? So these are the types that is supported by Python. Okay, Python has its own type. Okay, data type of Python. Data type of Python. So Python has its own set of data type. Okay, जोड़ा की कौन? गोटे होची list. Okay, list is mutable. You can change the list. Okay, list is there. Then you have set. It never keeps duplicate. Okay, set never keeps duplicate. Set duplicate रखें list set. Then you have tuple. Okay, list set tuple. Okay, then you have dictionary. Okay, dictionary keep the data in key value form. Okay, तो पिले एवडा पढ़िबो आगो को जाईकी एबे नाइ. Okay, so एगडा real data type that is supported by Python. Hala, and these data type above are in the form of class. Hala, Aryan okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
हाला, तो कौन अच्छी? Integers, decimal point, string, then boolean. Hala, these are four basic data type. Okay, then Python रो निजरो data type अच्छी list, set, tuple, then dictionary. Okay, note down कलो समझते. आदित्य note down कलो. Now students, we will learn how to take input of data. How to take input of data, user input. Okay, so input of data. So Python uses the input function. Input function. There is a function. Okay, function टा कौन? Input. ठीक है? So Python provides input function for accepting user inputs. User inputs. Okay, the input function, okay, takes the data in the form of string, in the form of string only. ତମନା ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ତ ଇନପୁଟ ସବୁବେଳେ କେମିତି ନଉଛି string ରେ ନଉଛି ଓକେ ହେଲା string to convert the string to any desired type, okay, you need to typecast. Aryan बुझलो okay syntax variable equal to input, okay, it should a message the bracket. So this is the syntax, students. This is the syntax. Keep note of the syntax. Okay. For example, okay. So n equals to input, enter your name, right? Print your name is n. So whatever message you put inside the input, that will only printed when you run the program. That will get printed when you run the program. Okay. Clear लिख लो. So typecasting कौन में दरकार? Typecasting is required to convert the string value to particular data type. Okay, right? So suppose you want to work with integer, but input only takes the data in form of string. Okay, you cannot perform mathematical activity with string. So you need to typecast. You need to change the string to particular type. Okay, to typecast. Okay, we need to use the constructors of the type classes. Okay, ठीक अछि जो type classes मान करो constructor use करिबो. For example, let's say okay n equals to input enter a number. Okay, if you print n plus 2, okay, so this will give you an error. Okay, error कौन कहबो? Cannot concatenate string and integer. Okay, str plus int not allowed. Okay, string and integer not allowed. But what we see input of a number, right? We are expecting a number to be inputted. Okay, we are expecting a number to be input, but what we are getting is string, and you cannot concatenate, you cannot add integer to a string. That's not possible. So कौन करिबो? Okay. So you need to convert you need to convert the n which is storing string to integer. So typecast करने करिया पे कौन करिबो? There is a function of int. This is the constructor that will convert. This is how you convert integer int function. Int function will convert the string to integer. तमन्ना बुझलो बेटा? Int function will convert the string to integer. Okay. Now you can write. So print n2 plus 2. So this will give you some output. Okay. Hello. Aditya बुझलो? How to typecast? Hello. Aryan बुझलो तो typecasting? String to function भीतर पके दबार अछि class रो. Hello.
बुझली सर
Now direct input नेला बेले भी तमे casting कर परिबो. Hello. So instead of doing all this first, what you can write? You can simply write n equals to int. ता भीतर लिख दिया input, enter a number. So what this will do? This will first of all take the input in the form of string, then string will be converted to integer and then will be stored to n. Then you can print n plus 2. Okay.
तो मैंने हमको 5 लिखिबा सेतरे एंटर नंबर ना
Put a कौन?
आपण जो लिखले इनपुट एंटर ए नंबर तो सेटा स्ट्रिंग माने को हम तो 5 सपोज
तुम्हें
एंटर
5
करबो
लिखो, तुम्हें 5 जल्दी भी enter करू तो so that will be in the form of string. Double quote थी बस इतरे, single quote थी बस.
अच्छा सर ओके सर
हला ता संगे
बुझली
तो
यस सर हां
याद करि परिबनी, ताको कन्वर्ट करिया पड़िबो नंबर को, है ना? नंबर संगे रे
यस सर हां
मैथमेटिकल एक्टिविटी करिबो. Understood?
यस सर
Okay. Great. I hope you all understood.